Welcome, Dr. Akani. We appreciate your taking time out of your busy schedule to be here with us. Please, could you introduce yourself to the audience?
Thank you for inviting me. I am Pastor Abraham Akani, the pastor of RCCG Restoration Chapel, St. Paul, Minnesota, a provincial pastor. And also, before now, I've been a long-standing research scientist with PhD in medicinal chemistry. My research works were in mechanism of carcinogenesis, pharmacokinetics, and anti-cancer agents, with many publications and patents.
That's very impressive. As you know, there are concerns in our community regarding the COVID-19 vaccine. One of them is how quickly it was produced. Please, could you speak to that?
This new vaccine was made using mRNA, which is a new method completely. The mRNA, when injected, produce in the body or in the cells what we call the spike protein found on the virus, so that when the body sees this protein, it will recognize it as a foreign object and therefore start producing antibodies. In addition, government poured a lot of money into this vaccine research and production. That enabled the pharmaceutical company to work at a faster rate than using their own money. They have the resources, but the money helped to speed up the research and development. And as most of you are aware, the production of the vaccine actually started before the final approval for the vaccine. So the production and research were going hand in hand, and it enabled us to have this vaccine faster than it should have normally been.
Another concern is that taking the vaccine will cause one to become a zombie or result in infertility. Is that accurate?
No. The reason is that DNA is in the nucleus, while the mRNA stays outside the nucleus. And once the mRNA, the blueprint for the spike protein, is produced, the mRNA is destroyed by the cell.
Another concern in the community is that taking the vaccine could result in one getting the 666 number, also known as the mark of the beast. Is that true?
No, it is not biblical. The 666 number will be either on the forehead or the hand. And also it will be mandatory as soon as the Antichrist is revealed.
Thank you so much, Pastor Dr. Akani. Any final word to the community?
Yes, I would like to encourage everyone to take the vaccine. As a pastor and a leader in the community, I have taken a step, taken it, and you can see me clearly that there is no mark of the beast on my forehead. I will also want to encourage all of you to continue to wear your mask, practice social distancing, washing of hands, and observing other protocols. Please, I will encourage you to take the vaccine when it's your turn, so that we can all quickly get over this pandemic.